But in business news, crude oil is trading near 10-month highs as data shows stockpiles have declined. For more details, Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino joins us live from New York. Hi, Jill.
Hey, Vincent. So oil has surged more than 90% to over $51 from its 12-month low in February due to steady declines in U.S. production, increased demand in India and China, and unplanned disruptions in Canada, Venezuela, and Nigeria. The Niger Delta Group, which has claimed a string of attacks that cut crude sharply, including the pipeline operated by Royal Dutch Shell, has brought Nigeria's oil output to a 20-year low.
Now, is the Nigerian government really even closer to resolving this crisis?
Well, President Buhari has appointed a team led by the National Security Advisor to begin with the process of speaking with the militant group that would scale back military operations in the region, according to Nigeria's oil minister. However, the group responded by blowing up a pipeline this morning belonging to Chevron Nigeria and said they would not negotiate with the federal government, according to the group's Twitter handle, their main source of communication. So the short answer is no. Supply disruptions are positive for balance in the market, but obviously it is catastrophic on a human level.
Now that Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton are clearly the presumptive nominees for the U.S. presidential election, who would be more favorable for energy stockpiles if the crude oil environment actually remains the same and continues to trade at these levels?
Well, traditional energy companies such as coal, natural gas, and oil would likely favor a Trump presidency since he is promising a more favorable regulatory environment. In other words, he wants to regulate less and drill more. But, and this is the big but, Trump's plan would unlikely solve the energy industry's problems. Just look at how crude oil crashed from $150 to $26 because of the supply glut caused by too much U.S. drilling. Pumping more would make the U.S. less reliant on foreign oil, but it may also fuel the oversupply situation that has only just started to balance out.
Well, let's hope it'll all be good for all of us. Thanks a lot, Jill.
Thank you.
That's Africa 54 business correspondent Jill Malandrino reporting live from New York.